Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. What we have for today's video, it is this Allure box for Allure beauty box for the month of July. For those of you that don't know about this box is $15 a month. You do get deluxe size samples, but you also get full-size samples in some of the boxes. Well, actually in most of the boxes. You'll get a mixture of both. Sometimes we get really good items, which is probably the reason why I actually stuck with this box. For a while, this one was no bueno. And I was really close to canceling it. But, sometimes you just forget about things and then you don't do them. And not until you realize that you were supposed to cancel a subscription, but you never did. And then by then you're already like, well, I kept it on for this long. So we have a little pamphlet that gives us the product information about what we have in here. So let's just go in, and we have a tiny little thing right here. This is from Hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is the Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. I'm gonna read more about it on the pamphlet. This is it here. I never knew what this was really. Like, is it for your skin? Or if it's like, if you have a rash, is it for the rash or what, So I'm going to read more about this one in here, but it is a tiny little sample that we got. I'm going to go in for this one next, and it is from it's not from there. It is from Botanic and Beauty. This is the Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. It's a really cute box. So it's like a soft pink, like a mauve, and then it has little peaches and like little leaves here. That's what this design is. It's really cute. So it says on the how to use, it says apply to cheeks, lips, or eyelids and diffuse using warmth of your fingers for a natural radiant glow. Or you can like layer it up to kind of intensify it. But let me see what color this is. I can't open it. So this is the inside. It's a really thick glass with a pink top, and you don't get much product because this whole bottom part of the glass is nothing. Literally, the amount of product you get is this part here, which is just the top, which is like almost nothing. It's a really pretty color. I don't see myself using this as a blush because it feels like a lip balm. It feels just like a lip balm. It's really nice, and you can intensify it. I did it on there multiple times. It did get darker as I applied more and more on top, but I honestly see myself using this on my lips, not on my eyelids either, just because I would think that it would feel like sticky as you like blink, like like your eyelid getting stuck to the top. I don't think that would feel very good. So yeah, I'm probably gonna use that one just on my lips, almost as a chapstick, because it does have a really like nice flush of color. I'm gonna go for this one here, and this one looks to be full size. It's from Osea. It says Ocean Cleanser, Mineralized Plus Balance. Or actually, if it's a cleanser, this actually looks pretty small. This is a bag. It's not a bag. This is a box. Let me see. I guess we'll find out, but this is the size. It's small for a cleanser, but it's pretty big for a deluxe size sample. So I don't know. So this one says it's for normal, dry, and combo. It says the organic seaweed cleanses. The cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oil. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energizes the skin and it awakens the senses. And the seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. So, and it also removes makeup, which is pretty cool. So, On the pamphlet at the end, I'll check to see if this is a full size or not, because it's kind of like a weird in between. What is this here? You have like paper. Oh, I think it goes with this one. Yes. So we have something from Peach and Lily. It says Glass Skin Refining Serum, Luminous plus Translucent. It has peach extract and peptide complex. So there's a little pamphlet here that pretty much tells us it is a revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. And yeah, it's pretty much a serum to make your skin look glowy. It's a really nice color. I like the box. I like that peachy look. It is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and it is vegan. So this is a bottle, white with the letters are also peach. And I wonder if it's gonna smell like peach since it has peach all over the place. And it's just a clear gel. What does it smell like? It doesn't smell like peach. It doesn't have much of a scent, actually. Yeah, no. So it's just a serum to make your skin look nice and glossy and glassy and juicy and all of those good things. I think this is going to be, I don't know if this is an extra or if it's an actual item from the box. It says Acne Cover Patch. It covers blemishes. Oh, okay, no, this is an actual, I thought it was just like one little thing. But no, it says Acne Cover Patch from Allure. It covers blemishes invisibly. And it has 8 patches. So I don't want to open it just because these are supposed to stay sealed, so they can stay clean until you're going to use them. But they're the little circle patches that you put over like your blemishes, and it's supposed to help reduce the swelling and the redness and, suck all of the nasty stuff out. That's what this is here. And you do get them in 3 different sizes. So depending on how big your blemish is, that's the size that you choose. So that's what we have here. And the very last one, of course, does not surprise me. All the boxes end with a sheet mask. This one, the one that we have here is from Lapgos. It is the charcoal pork hair. And yeah, just a regular sheet mask. Not much to say about this one. I'm assuming it has charcoal since it's called, or it has a giant word on there that says charcoal. So let me look on our little pamphlet. Papers are everywhere. Let me look on here to see. So the very first item that comes up on here, it is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Oh wow, the MSRP for this, this is, I think, full size. I'm like almost 100% sure this is full size. It is $39. Then we have the, where to go? The cleanser. Okay, yeah, this is a full size. This is a deluxe size. The full size, it would be 5 fluid ounces. This was 0.6. Yeah, 0.6 of an ounce. But the full size for 5 ounces, it would be $48. And then I think this one here is full size. The Botanic Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. So this is $16. And so then we have our little tiny one here from Sick Pear. Oh, okay. So yes, this is for your face. This is supposed to help with inflammation. So it is for people that have like oily, weird combo, patchy, dry, irritated skin. Anything that you can think of for like sensitive skin or just weird, problematic skin. This is what that is for. So this is just a little tiny sample so you can see, if it'll work for your skin, which I will definitely give it a try, see if it helps with the oiliness or even the sensitivity or the redness. I have like almost all of what this is good for. I have it almost all. The very last thing is the charcoal sheet mask. This one is $3. So I think we have a pretty good mixture of things. A lot of skincare, I would say. Yeah, a lot of skincare. Or in these, these actually didn't come up. The Acne Cover Patch. So I don't know. I think that is just an extra. I didn't see it on here. I don't know how I got in there, but I'm happy. Oh wait, it's right here. But it's yeah, I think this is just an extra. It's just like advertisement. So yeah, so it looks like this is just an extra. So those were all the items from the box. I think we have a really good box value considering I paid $15 for this box. This one alone was $39. Do the math. 39 is greater than 15, so just saying. So those are all the items from my box. That means that I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you back here next time. Bye.